Video, we're going to learn how to add a new customer to your contact list with Inventory Pro. First, click the Contact drop-down in the sidebar. It should open a drop-down menu. Then click the Customers tab. Now you can see we are on the Customers page. Now, to add a new customer, click on the Add button. We need to fill this pop-up form with customer details. Select customer type where individual or business. Then, let's fill the empty fields with first name, middle name, and last name. You can always skip the optional fields. Also, fill in the contact number and other info. And then hit the Save button. Cool! Now you can see the customer details in the list. That's all we need. Hope you enjoy this video.